My train is supposed to be from 1 p.m. I think 1:40 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's about 9 hours or so. I don't even know how it's going to be because I'm honestly hoping to find a place to sleep. Then in the morning, I'm going to go to the factory. From the factory, I'm going to the airport because I booked my flight already. God, my flight from that city to Wuhan is like 2 hours. Bro, like China is so big. Like this place is so big. I can't wait. Like I really cannot wait to be in my bed. So yeah, of course, I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's have fun.
Okay, let's go.
So yeah. I just got to Taizhou station after 8 hours and I'm tired, like I'm really, really tired. But I've gotten a taxi, I've gotten a hotel. I hope I don't have complications this time again. I just want to sleep, like I really, really want to sleep. Jiga with that taxi. I really just want to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? I'll update you guys tomorrow. All right, so see you tomorrow. I'm about leaving. I'm sorry, I couldn't show you guys around. And I'm late already. Coming back last night, I was really, really tired. So while talking to you guys, I'm just going to book my ride. Coming back last night, I was very tired, like really, really tired. So I got back. I was able to get a hotel without stressing. So I got back, I had my bath, I ate. The best part about this hotel that I am in right now is that there is a place to buy food, because like I love chow fan. I love chow fan. So there's a place just beside the hotel to get chow fan. So I got it, I ate, I had my bath, and I slept. This place is not far from the factory too, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, I'm back to take clothes because here is cold. I can't wait to be on my bed, man. We are going to the factory. After the factory, we are going to come back to the hotel, then we pack, then we go to the airport, and that's going to be that. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you guys have fun, or I hope you guys are having fun, right? So, I think I'm all set to leave. I'll see you guys downstairs. Fit check. I have Air Force on, yeah. The Hot Winds trousers too. Then Route 66. This is Route 66. Recently a brand that I love wearing so much because I got like a few stuff from them. So apparently the name of the city is Taizhou in Jiangxi province. I thought the Taizhou was like the name of the what was it called? The name of the area, but it's actually like the name of the city. China is so big. Like China is so big. You know, people will say, "Oh, China is so modernized and stuff. There are no poor people. The roads are great and everything." But it varies, yeah. They have like a really good economy. The country is safe, very, very safe, right? But there are like some cities like this one that I am in right now that it's not like a city. So I feel like this city will be so nice to live in. Honestly, I feel like this city will be so nice to live in because it's not loud. It's not. I also don't think this city is crowded. So it's not loud. It's not crowded. Everybody will just keep to themselves, and I think it will be affordable. I think this city will be affordable. So, are we here? Yeah, I think we are here. I think we are at the factory. So we are here. We are here at the factory. I think there are like different factories here. Hi. I see. I just met the sales rep. Say hi, Matthew. Show hi, show hi. Oh, okay.
You want to see our workshop?
Yeah. Let's see. So let's go and see the workshop. This is like a whole factory space for industrial machines. There's this one, there's some other one that I saw over there. So all of this, look, all of this, see, that factory. So let's just go in and see how it is. Still on my. Okay, so let me show you guys how it is.
Single meter.
Yeah.
This line
For
for overlock.
overlock?
Working foot.
Oh, walking foot machine? Yeah. Okay.
This line for single needle machine.
Single needle. Okay.
This is G3D4.
Yeah, the one I'm getting to? Yeah. Okay. So all this. Men are at work like what? Yeah. Like having to see please that this thing works. These things are being assembled. It's really nice. Oh, that's nice.
For working foot machine for heavy materials. Heavy materials.
Oh, those, okay. This is like the assembly line.
Working foot.
Okay, walking foot.
All this line for
Walking foot. Okay.
this machine we have it in our warehouse.
Downstairs.
Second floor. But not on this.
Yeah, that's okay.
If you want to, I can show you.
Yeah,
the
okay,
warehouse.
no problem. Hello.
就是他，我刚跟你说的那台机器，看一下。我
This is the storage unit.
This floor is our packing.
Oh,
And
packing
then
and
we have some ready machine we put here.
okay. So this is for packing and packaging. This
Yes.
floor. Okay.
那个是哪个？
So I think these guys produce different types of sewing machines. I think they produce different types of sewing machines. This is like a whole building.
Huh?
No, no. This is like a whole building for shipping machines.
Black color. We also, if you like 那个什么 orange, we can with orange.
Okay.
Machine.
Yeah, this is one of the machines that I'm getting. So I'm getting three. Yeah, I'm getting 3 machines from these guys because my clients want like 3 different machines. So I had to like come check out the place, then place the order. So yeah. So you say it comes with the foot, the table. All the machines come with the table, yeah?
For packing.
Okay. So this is the warehouse storage unit. So after packing upstairs, they bring it here to store it in the warehouse. So all these are sewing machines. Industrial sewing machines. All these are industrial sewing machines. Bringing it to store it. So they produce to store. All right, let's go. So you have different machines?
Yes.
Okay.
For have it for bags, clothes, shoes. We have all sewing machines.
Machines for bags, machines for clothes, machines for shoes.
Yes.
Ah,
For hats.
for hats. Okay. No problem.
This is our E-turn is our for produce single needle overlock. E-top is our trading company.
Trading company, yeah.
So we also sell other machines. To customer needs.
Okay. So you customize?
What?
You can customize the machines.
No, not customize.
Or not customize?
We can recommend you machines for your producing what you need.
Okay. That's good. So yeah, I have seen it. So we've done inspection and quality check. Then we have paid because we got different machines from them. We have paid. We are going back to the hotel now, so I can rest a little before going to the airport. They are in contact with my freight forwarder, so I got the P&I. When everything is done, it's going to be sent and it is going to be shipped to Nigeria. But our job is not done. That's like the best part of this thing, yeah. Our job is not done. We are there till the end of the process. We are there till you get your goods, till it is with you. Once you get it, even after you've gotten it, like any other thing for services or anything, we would have to cause we speak directly to the factory. So we'll have to talk to the factory and explain what the problem is, then we'll find solutions for you. So that's not even a problem. My God. I'm honestly really tired, excuse me. I sound tired. I sound tired. Now I can go and rest. Go and continue writing my thesis. You guys did not tell me that writing thesis for a master's degree is this difficult, man. Like, it's stressing me. The last time I did any form of research was when? The last time I did any form of research was in 2021, when I was writing my bachelor's thesis. But like, my bachelor's thesis was a design thesis because I studied mechatronics engineering. I had to design a, do I even remember that project topic? It was an automatic storage and retrieval machine for alloy sheet metal. If I'm not wrong, yeah. I had to design that, then write a paper. But this one I'm doing like a full, last semester I did like a mini research. But I mean, that one was not a lot. But this one I'm writing like a full-blown article, like a full-blown concise paper. You know, it's but yeah, we are going to do it. And I'll possibly like take you guys through the process with me too. Maybe not, who knows. So I'll see you guys when I am at the airport, or if you have seen this vlog to this point, more of this kind of vlogs are going to come, because like, we are going to go to different factories for quality check and for purchase, and to confirm that the factory actually exists, because like, they are really, whether we want to like believe it or not, there are really a lot of people that scam people in China, a lot. So that is why I am here, to make sure you don't fall victim, because it's not easy. So these kind of vlogs are going to come, and my travel vlogs also going to come to daily live vlogs and all of that. We'll just have like so much to watch. We'll have so much to watch. We'll have fun together, share a whole lot for you guys. So don't forget to, if you enjoyed the vlog, of course, like and share. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Bye.